I like that music.
Yes.
That's some urgent ask the doctor music. Hey, Dr. Jerome Williams is here today, and Jillian, as always.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good. Very good.
Well, if they have a question, it's 741-9272. You can call and talk to Dr. Williams about your pet questions.
Yes.
And I hate to call Dr. Williams out on the air. I did not know you were allergic to cats.
Yes, and I could not help but
touch the things.
Yeah.
And now your eyes are.
Yeah, here for the cat. Talking about the cat show,
Yeah.
which is a wonderful event. It's a great event.
Now your eyes are all itchy.
Well, I'll survive it.
See, even doctors, you think they know best? Sometimes it's hard to refuse the pets, right?
Absolutely.
All right, so 741-9272, give us a call. And what are we seeing right now? I mean, I know in the winter weather, you know, we have concerns about pets and animals being left outside.
Yes, cold weather, that we're seeing some problems caused by that. But one of the things I was surprised to see was ticks on several animals.
Really?
And
which is not normal this time of year?
Not normal this time of year.
Why do you think that's happening?
I don't know. So, you know, as we get our flea and tick product, we might need to consider getting one that controls ticks as well. Okay. Instead of getting one that just does fleas.
I think we think about fleas much more often, don't we?
Yes.
Until you see one.
Yeah.
All right, what is the deal? If you do see a tick on your dog, what do you do? Because I've heard a million things.
It's best not to pull it off.
Okay.
Because if you leave that head in, it can cause an infection problem.
Ooh.
So using any kind of thing to make it retract itself.
Like
Fingernail
what?
polish remover will do it.
Really?
Any kind of insecticide type thing. If you got stuff like off.
So just put it right on
Put
it?
it on it, and it'll retract.
And then you can take it off. So you can tell when it's.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's the better way to do it. Some people believe in picking them off, but you know, you're okay most of the time, but sometimes the head left in can create a problem.
Okay, let's go to Charles in McCalla. Hey, Charles.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
What's your question?
Yes, I want to ask the doctor, my son has a German boxer. Yes, my son.
I think
Go right ahead,
is your
Charles.
TV turned up? I think your TV may be kind of throwing you off a little bit. There's a little delay. If you can turn your TV down.
I want to know, I have never heard the dog bark.
How old is he now?
Oh, the dog probably about 2 or 3.
2, 3 years old?
Wow.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what's causing that.
I mean, is it normal for any dog to bark at some point?
Yeah, we expect them to bark at some point, make some kind of sound. It may not be the usual bark type sound that we're used to hearing most often, but they generally, even the dog like the Basenji, which normally does not bark, would make a sound.
So otherwise, the dog's healthy?
Yes.
As far as you know?
Yes.
You might want to get him looked at and see what's going on. It's unusual, I can tell you that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks,
That
Charles.
is
Thank you.
different.
Thank you.
Okay, our next caller is in Bessemer. Tawana, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi,
Go
Tawana.
ahead.
How you doing? I was calling. Is it normal? I have a Pomeranian. Is it normal for her to spit up when she gets nervous?
No, it's not. But getting overexcited or getting nervous can cause some dogs to do that. It may even be a reflux reaction going on, but to answer your question, it is not normal for that to happen.
Okay, is it normal that you can feed her too many those biscuit bones?
Yes, you can feed her too much of anything. So another thing you might want to be sure to do is not let her eat too much at once, and not let her eat too much too fast. All of those kind of things can cause.
Well, they eat fast anyway.
Yeah. But limit the quantity you give them over a defined period of time, which
So
may
spread it out a little bit, maybe?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Okay.
Hey, let's go to Mary. Mary is calling us today in Sylacauga. Mary, good morning. Hey, Mary.
Mary, you there?
Okay. I think we lost Mary. All right.
Okay.
I think from what I understand, Mary wants to know, is there anything you can do for a long-haired Chihuahua to stop shedding all year long?
The first thing you want to do on almost any pet that's shedding is make sure that the diet is a good balanced diet, and you can add your fatty acids to the diet, and also the amino acids a good balanced diet with the supplements, and then the next thing you want to do is make sure that they're parasite-free, intestinal parasites as well as skin parasites.
So, but dogs are going to shed. You're
They're
talking
gonna
about
shed, yes.
an extreme amount of shedding can
Right.
be something else going on. Is that right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
But if you do those things first, then if you're still getting shedding, you might want to look further. But yeah, because when I leave here, that's going to be hair left on this.
And you look at a dog like Jilly and you think that's not. Now you look at our golden retriever, it just runs through the house and it flies everywhere.
Exactly.
You know that's going to happen, but all
Right.
dogs shed at some point.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. That is the last call. Thank you so much for calling in.
Always good to be here.
Always good to see you. And Jillian is already checked out. All right. Now let's go to Jay.
Thank you very much, Jen.